Welcome everyone, this is Srimay from Mediva. Today we will be seeing a very interesting procedure which is a beginning step whenever you enter into a hospital, that is hand washing. I am sure you would have known, but how hand washing is done? No, no. Hand washing, there is a proper step when we step into the hospital and when we have to do any procedure. So, do you know what is actually hand washing? It is very simple. Hand washing is a method or it is a process of cleaning your hands so that your hands are effective, clean enough to do any procedure to prevent yourself from getting any infection or to prevent your health from getting any illness. It is actually very vital because our hand contains a lot of flora, a lot of infection, and we or our hands are the major source of transmitting infection to any patient. But do you know hand washing has different types? I guess you have already guessed it. Yes, it's correct. Hand washing is of two types, medical hand washing and surgical hand washing. Today we will see quickly what is medical hand washing. But before that, I guess you would be confused. You would have always heard sometimes we do hand hygiene with soap and water, sometimes we do it with alcohol based hand rub. Now, when to guess which one to use it, that is also you have to think about. I'll tell you. Soap and water we should be using whenever we see our hands are visibly soiled, it is dirty, whenever we have gone in contact with a patient who is really having any infection. There are different kinds of infection which you can be seeing. Maybe a person who is already having diarrhea and he has illness where he is affected with norovirus infection, a person who is having bacillus anthracis, or a person who is already diagnosed to have Clostridium difficile. So in all these cases, it is always important that you use soap and water. When are you going to use alcohol based hand rub? That I'll tell you in my next video. For that you have to follow us, right? So we will be seeing now when are we going to do hand washing. As I already told you, when it is visibly soiled and infection is there. Other than that, why do we do hand hygiene? There are some universal policies which actually describes what is the effective measure of doing hand washing that will prevent us from various health related issues. Now these universal policies are given by CDC and WHO that states that the subungual area of our fingers carry a lot of microorganisms if it is not being cleaned properly. Approximately 30% of the infection happens because the hand washing is not done correctly. Now, these areas can be cleaned when we do a proper hand hygiene. Also, to notify that ideally we are not supposed to put any nail polish or nail paint. It is not encouraged. But if suppose a nail paint is being put, it should be proper. In case it is proper, it doesn't take any infection. In case the nail paints are being chipped, in those cases the nail polish has to be removed and the hand hygiene has to be practiced. That is the first thing. Second thing that CDC states, that is always we are doing hand hygiene whenever we know that we have to put on gloves. Glove wearing is also important so that we don't transmit the flora and the microorganisms to any other patient. We don't take the infection or microorganisms from any patient to us. Basically, we are trying to prevent nosocomial infection spreading within the hospital. And the third and the most important thing is the healthcare professionals are not supposed to wear any kind of ring. It is being shown that 40% of contamination happens when a nurse or a physician is wearing ring because the underneath skin carries a lot of microorganism which can easily transmit any infection to the patient. We have to see what are the steps of hand washing. Now, steps of hand washing, let me tell you, is also very easy. According to CDC, according to WHO, steps of medical hand washing should finish within few seconds. That is within 40 to 60 seconds. Without doing any further delay, let us see what are the medical steps of hand washing. For medical hand washing, the articles that are required are a water source, a tap where you will be getting water. Other than that, you also need tissue paper or towel according to your convenience. So before beginning, we have to wet our hand completely under the water. Make sure you don't touch the sink of the hand washing area. Step 1, take adequate amount of soap in your palm. Step 2, rub your palm to palm in 5 times rotatory motion. Each step that we would be doing should be done 5 times. So, palm to palm, right palm over left dorsum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, vice versa.
Fourth step.
Interlacing of the fingers, where again we are going to make every stroke 5 times.
Fifth step.
Interlocking of the fingers. And vice versa, where you can see that your left hand fingers are coming over the palm over the right hand, and we are doing interlocking. Next step, we are going to move our finger into rotatory motion. Vice versa. Last step, move the tip of your right finger over the left palm in a rotatory motion, and vice versa. After which we have to wash our hands. Wash your hands properly and completely so that all the areas where the soap solution is being applied is being cleaned properly. Make sure the water that we use is lukewarm or it is cold. Every time using warm water is not advisable. Now dry your hand by using tissue paper. Once the hand hygiene is being done, make sure that you don't touch the faucet of the tap. Rather, with the tissue paper, close the tap. And then discard the tissue paper into the bin. So for more such interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe Mediva.